Izzy's first birthday. Izzy, what do you think? What's in there? This is from Rob and Mare. Oh, she's excited.
You grab it. Pull it. What is it? What is it? Get out.
Oh, cool. What is it?
Pull it.
Whoa. Whoa.
What is it? What is it? Nighttime Lullaby, Baby Einstein's.
That's awesome.
It's a book.
A book?
I don't know. Yeah, it's a book.
Why don't you open it and see what it does?
Here, here's all some paper.
That's good paper, Izzy. Izzy said, thanks, Rob, Uncle Rob and Aunt Marilee.
What is this book? Let's turn it around. Oh, look at all that. I have to read it to you tonight.
Wow, isn't that cool, huh, Izzy?
It's a book.
She loves it. What is it? Say thank you!
Thank you for the book.